So in today's video, we're going to settle the great RV debate. Which is better, RV safe toilet paper
or septic safe toilet paper? Which one belongs in your black tank? In today's video, we are going to test these two different products and allow you to decide which one you're going to use in what situations at the end of the video. I'm John.
I'm Christina.
And along with our dog, Mr. Mojo Rising, we are the Slocums. Come join us as we bring you the truths, trails, and tribulations as we try RV life. Hey, what do you think about that RV toilet paper?
Actually, I didn't think it was too bad. It didn't fall apart, and it was pretty soft too, but maybe because I'm used to that industrial commercial brand one ply from work.
You know, for me though, I found that it was a little bit rough, and I didn't really care for the feel on that particular toilet paper. So taking a look at our septic tank safe and our RV toilet paper, you can see where I could probably am feeling a little bit of this ridges right here versus the smoother septic tank style. So what we want to do with the weight test is to show you which one has more value by volume. So we're going to take and put each one on the scale and take a look at what you get. You're seeing that the RV toilet paper and now the septic tank toilet paper, they weigh pretty much the same amount. So by volume, there's no difference between the septic and the RV safe. So now let's talk the science between the manufacturer of these two different toilet papers. First, we have the RV toilet paper. How this is created and how it breaks down faster, it's created with shorter paper fibers. And the shorter paper fibers are held together by less glue. This makes it break down faster in your tank and why it may be better for your tank in the long run. Second is the septic safe toilet paper. Now there is a distinct difference between the septic safe and the RV toilet paper when it comes to the science. The septic tank safe uses longer fibers and a little more glue, which makes it a little bit stronger when you're actually using it when you're doing your business. But it's made to go through long pipes and ends up in a septic tank where it has a much longer length of time to break down. We use liquefied tank treatment, and using liquefied tank treatment and leaving the toilet paper in the tank for a longer period of time till our black tank is full can make a huge difference. We're not sponsored by Liquefied in any way, but if you want to try it, there's a link down in our Amazon store.
So now let's settle the question about cost. The RV style toilet paper,
$3.48 for 4-pack.
or that's 87 cents per roll. The septic safe toilet paper,
The 4 mega rolls though, $3.34.
or 16 rolls, equaling 21 cents per roll. On average, we use about 5 rolls of toilet paper per week, times 52 weeks. So that means the septic per year cost is $54.60. The RV paper per year is $226.20. That's a difference of $171.60. Wow.
So this is the big test, and trust me, this is gonna be all by observation. So far, all of the other tests we've done have all been on the value and the feel of this toilet paper, but today's test is the big one. This is the drain test. This is how well the toilet paper is broken down in the black tank and how well it comes out of the tank and through the pipes. So here we go. Ha! You thought I was gonna show you poop coming out. But no, I'm just gonna observe how it comes out and how well the toilet paper broke down. So far, I haven't seen any toilet paper at all come through. So it may have broken down all the way, but we'll see after we do the flush test. So there's 10 gallons in, and using the septic safe toilet paper, I do see clumps come out on this part of my flush. Well, there you go again, can't see it. So there's the 10-gallon flush, and I did see some residue of toilet paper coming out, but not quite as much as with the septic safe. Now the 40-gallon tank. So now I have 40 gallons in the tank. This will be where the flush is. Any toilet paper that I'd be able to see, I will be able to see when I do this flush. So here we go. Still clear, still clear. Oh, sorry. So that's basically it. The 40 gallons is done. There were some chunks of toilet paper, but not as much as with the Septic Safe. The black tank test, that goes to the RV toilet paper. Yeah, it does what it's advertised to do, but is it worth the money? So here's the big question. Do you need RV toilet paper? Well, if you want maximum breakdown and absolutely no issues with your black tank, well, RV toilet paper will do the job. But if you use plenty of water, a good tank treatment, and manage your systems well, the septic tank system will work just fine. For us, when we do our business, we're gonna think about the business side and go with the Septic Tank Safe toilet paper. The decision is up to you. If you wanna be safe, take a look at this video right here. And if you wanna find out how to save a ton of money on buying your RV, this video will help you out. Make sure you subscribe and join us as we try RV life.